welcome back to my channel. It's Cerise here, and in today's video I have a very exciting skincare haul for you guys. Now this isn't just any type of skincare, no honey. This is the creme de la creme of skincare. I'm talking about the brand Elevatione. And this shit is mega glam, mega expensive, and we'll see if it's totally worth the price point. So I'm going to do a huge haul on you today, but I thought I would read out their statement from their website because I thought it was really sweet. Like genuinely, that sounds real sarcastic, but I actually really liked it. It says, be an original, don't die a copy. Now, I really like this saying just because I always try to be myself. Everyone should be themselves. My slogan is, be yourself, everyone else is taken. Just be your own individual person. So that's why I really like the sounds of this company. It sounds really cool. So, Elevatione, a leading international boutique experience brand that was born from the idea that beauty goes beyond skin deep and radiates even more than an aura. Elevatione believes beauty is a concept, a construct, and a method of expression. Beauty is art, art is beauty, and the Elevatione woman is a masterpiece. Now, men can use this as well, anyone can use this, but I am so freaking excited. They do have male, where are my words? They do have stuff created specifically for a male. I know some males can get like, oh, I'm not using skincare, blah, blah, but they do make a formula for males as well, which you can use female products as well. They're not marketed exactly for females. It's just that females are more likely to care about skincare and use skincare. It's just a way of life, which it should change. It should really change. But the company is their website is just creme de la creme. Skincare is a luxury boutique skincare. It is just the cream of the crop. A lot of these items are very, very pricey, and I'm excited to dive on it. So this company did actually send these products to me. I don't spend a lot of money on skincare. I'm more of just a moisturizer and a micellar water kind of gal. So I'm very excited to dive into these products because they're going to be brand new to me and probably brand new to you as well. So I'm going to introduce you to the world of Elevatione. I know I'm probably pronouncing that wrong. My name is Cerise. It is French, but I know I'm pronouncing that word wrong. I know it. I know it. So let's start with the cheapest item. Now, I do have this in a big box on the floor. I have written the prices along here because there is quite a few things that we've got to get through. So I've got it in a box on the floor, and the box it arrived in, the courier left it out in the rain, so it got a little bit wet. Only the most expensive item got a bit wet. I was quite annoyed, but I digress. Let's crack on with the video. This is about the products, not about the courier. But anyway, this is the Sculpting Total Eye Contour Device. Now, I've not even opened this yet. It is just, I'm excited. It's got a nice little plastic, but this is the packaging here. It just looks luxurious. It's an eye contour device. I'm really excited about that because my eyes are a huge issue. I have no problem with the way that they look or anything, apart from if you've got a little bit of droopy skin, but it's just that I get a lot of bags. My eyes water quite a bit. I struggle with that. I get a lot of dog hairs in my eyes, so I always have eye irritations. So I'm excited to get some eye products in this product as well. But they don't just do products for your face. They do devices. They do a whole range of things. Go check out the website. The link will be in the description below. But let's crack on to this one. Now, this one comes in at a price point of $120. Now, that's a pretty reasonable price for a contour device. This is not just a device that is only going to last you one time. This is one that you can use over and over. So, an investment, really. So, yeah, it says here on the back, Sculpting Total Eye Contour Device. Elevatione is proud to introduce the Total Eye Contour Device, part of our Sculpting Beauty Device collection. This age-defying pen-shaped device integrates several technologies to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and dark circles or puffiness, resulting in younger, fresher-looking skin. Yes, make me 17 again, please. So it's got a whole bunch of stuff in here. Let's open her up and let's have a wee look into her. Now, I'm going to do in-depth videos in these, because I know you guys are gonna want to see. This is just an unboxing of what is here, but this is the device here. Holy crap, this is just, God, the packaging is luxurious. There's a little booklet underneath. Oh my God. Okay, this is not playing. So, it vibrates on you. and you charge it by USB. It's so weird. So this literally will last you forever as well. Does it come with the charger in there? Yes, it does. Comes with a charger in there, and then what else does it come with? And it comes with a little wipey. Bitch, this comes with a lot. This comes with a lot. So, oh my god. It's on, it's going crazy, it's vibrating. Ah! Alright, I need to turn it off. I need to turn it off. Oh my god, you take it out like that. Okay. Ooh. Oh, this feels nice. Ooh. Oh my god, they actually feel so soft. Okay, anyway, no, we've got to do a review on this, so let's turn off this bad boy. Let's turn her off. Stick her back in, because I want to do a nice in-depth review of that one. But that is the first item that we have here. Oh my gosh. This is probably going to be a long video, just so you guys know. Then I've got the second item here. This one retails for $149. Now this is a 3D face sculpting device, so bitch, hopefully get rid of my double chin. I am ready. Make me small, skinny. Just do it to me. Alright, so this is the 3D face sculpting device for the home, part of our Sculptura beauty device collection. This age-defying device integrates several technologies that activate acupuncture and meridian points, effectively reshaping the look of your face, resulting in a younger, slimmer, and more V-shaped face appearance. I feel like I already have a V-shaped face appearance, so I'm excited to give this guy a go. This one is $149 as well. Also, the packaging is so freaking cute. Like, I think it's adorable. And the fact that you get, oh my gosh, this is technical. I like to go through the instructions, but that's real cool. That's real fancy. I think the fact that you can reuse these as well and that they've got charges in them, that's real freaking cool too. So that is the next item. Alright, then we've got this one coming in at $135. Now this is the Age Beautifully Day Cream. So it's got SPF 50 and it's capsule AA+. So this is the Age Beautifully Time Capsule. So this is the little moment here. So it comes with the actual cream here, and then it's got a little spatula, which is good because when you've got long nails, the spatula is always really good to have. Let's open her and see. She's like, oh, bitch, that is a fancy ass cream. Such a fancy cream. Okay, let's pop her away. So I'm excited to get in and use the day cream as well, because I'm about to run out of my moisturizer, and as I said to you guys, I am a moisturizer hoe. So I love me some moisturizer, so I'm excited for that. Alright, then we've got this one here. This is the Gala Results Box. Now you can actually get this sent to you monthly as well once it all runs out, so I think it's meant to last you about a month. So it's just a whole bunch of different products and a whole ass box. So this does retail for $226 just simply because it does have a lot in it. Now the packaging did get a bit water damaged from the courier, but apart from that, she's golden. So let's open her up. Alright, so let's open her up. Now I like how this one is laid out. I really like the packaging of these boxes. They feel real nice as well. They feel luxurious. They feel like a boutique brand. So before we open it, it does actually tell you what's in the back. So you've got a face cream, a face serum, and boosting drops. So a whole bunch of stuff, really good. Like for the price point, it's good quality for the amount of things that you get in here. So this is what it looks like here when you open it. So we have the Light and Bright Face Serum, the Light and Bright Face Cream, and the Boosting Drop. So I'm excited to try that. I'm like, what kind of style video would you guys want me to do with this? Do you want me to do like just a wear test on the day? Do you want me to just open each product? Do you want me to actually do like a 2-week transformation? Let me know in the comments down below. But we have the last item now, which is the most expensive item. Not the most expensive one you can buy from the website, but the most expensive one I got sent. This one comes in at a whopping $379 for this product, and this is the Elevatione Time Stops Professional Art Skincare. This is the 24K Eye Illuminating Serum. Now, she looks stunning. Looks amazing. To be lit from within is as much of a will as it is an art. Be as young on the outside as you feel inside. Project your inner beauty and dazzle people with your extravagant personality and radiant aura. Elevatione Time Stops Professional Art Skincare is inspired by the leading Spanish artist. She's Spanish. Treat your skin with Elevatione Professional Art Skincare and allow the time to stop. gold tiara. I'm excited to open this. I'm like, what is she gonna look like? Let's do it. Oh, there's another box. Ding, 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 ding. So this is the product here. Oh my gosh. Let's pull her out. Oh. I also like the packaging. I think it's really cute as well. So let's open this one up. So this is the $379 eye cream. I'm excited for it to transform my eyes if it works. I mean, if it works, we will see. We'll definitely have to do a review on this, but it just looks stunning. Luxurious eye treatment serum. I'm there. So yeah, that is all the products that I got sent from Elevatione. Time stops. Thank you guys so much for sending all this to me. I am very, very appreciative and thankful to be given a chance to show off all of these products and use them, and I'm like, my skin is gonna have a makeover, so I'm so freaking excited. So that is the products there. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Should I do a full wear test? Should I put it all on at once? Should I mix it all in a bowl and mix it all together? What should I do? Let me know in the comments down below what I should do with them. But until next time, I love you guys so much, and I hope you enjoyed this video. But until next time, I love you guys so much. I'll see you next time. Bye!